What up, man? What's good with y'all? It's been a minute since I've been on this thing. The Z's been down for like a couple weeks. Blew up another radiator. I got a lot of things we're doing today. Mishimoto radiator, silicone hoses, serpentine belt, got the coolant, got oil, got sway bar bushings, brakes, Mishimoto oil cooler lines, and we also got a Mishimoto oil cooler, which I got like half a year ago, but I couldn't use it because the lines were leaking. The old lines were leaking. These ones right here, these lines were leaking, so I got the new ones. So yeah, man, that's all we got going on today. We're just working on the whip. Alright, so I missed a lot of footage because my GoPro camera, it died. You guys basically missed the whole thing. Either way, right now, just bleeding the car, making sure it's all good. So far, it's good. It got heat. I'm just letting it run a few more minutes just to make sure. We have the silicone hoses on the new radiator. Brand new serpentine belt. Mishimoto. And yeah, man. Oh, as well, you got the oil cooler. Just letting it run, get nice and hot. No leaks. We go under the car. We got the oil cooler, sandwich plate, and the lines. As you can see, no leaks. So that's the install. I did the brakes, didn't catch that. Either way, the Z is cool, it's up and running, and hopefully the next time you guys see me, I will be at the track. Peace.